Okay, now I want to record it. Okay, it's been recording, I think. And okay, Miro, can you repeat again?
Yes, of course. You can click on it again to turn it off.
On my laptop, there is one screen, control.html of the Runlinc, and I want to turn on and off with my laptop. The device is situated on Australia, and I have got access to the web page of the Runlinc. And from Nepal, I want to control the light of Australia. Is it possible? Let's check it out. Yes, I have clicked on, and it's on. And now I want to click it off. It's off. Yes. Again, I want to click it. I want to click it on. Yes, it's off, and now off. It's on. It's nice to have such type of wonderful device that's just like Runlinc, and we have our own web page too. Do you can have that Android device, Android app also? Can you control through Android app also, the Runlinc?
Actually, you don't need an Android app because it's a web page. You can open a web page on an Android phone or an iPhone or a tablet or an iPad or a Mac computer or any web page device.
Okay. Okay. The web page is also very good. Web page is also very good, and it's
a web page. It's a web page. Yes. Okay.
It's the
okay.
So in time, we hope there will be an Android app too to control the Runlinc. Yes.
You can open a web page on Android. Also, the Android can open a web page.
Yes.
Do you have a Chrome on your web on your Android? You can open a web page on your Android phone.
Okay. Yes. Nice. Yes, we can. And
okay.
For same network, we don't need any internet. For same network, we don't need internet. We can easily turn on and off the light of our houses. Yes. And
also on your Android phone.
Yes.
So we'll just continue because we only did one step. I can show you many things. So go to C4 and then type in under the name.
Yes.
Type in the word lamp. L-A-M-P.
Lamp. Yes, lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. And then what? The next what?
Okay, so lamp. So this is C4 is the lamp. Okay.
Yes, I have L-A-M-P. Small little lamp. Caps or small? L-A-M-P.
Just small. Can you see my video?
Yes, I'm seeing your video too.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So also, so just turn off the lamp. Turn off the lamp.
Okay, turn off the lamp. Yes, I want to turn off the lamp.
Okay.
The lamp is turned off from Nepal.
Also here, here is a light sensor. This is a light sensor.
Yes, that's light.
So the light sensor has a voltage going into C7 on the controller, a voltage. So what we want to do is we want to measure the voltage. So go to C7 and select the analog in. Select the analog in. C7, analog in.
Yes, analog in. Yes, analog in.
Okay.
Next what?
Analog in.
So I clicked it.
C7. When you click C7 analog in, do you see a number here on status?
Yes, it's 202.
Okay, so the number, so there's a 5 volts going into C7, but it scales between 0 to 255.
Okay.
So to make the number larger, to make it higher, you need to put some light here on the table on the light sensor.
Yes.
Can you put some light here in Australia?
It's increasing and decreasing. Its intensity is increasing, number is increasing and decreasing with the increase in intensity of light, I think.
It is actually the light here, but also it is also the light here. So turn on the light.
Turn on the light, yes, okay. I turned it. And
okay, now what number do you see?
Yes, it's 237. Maximum is 255 and it's 237.
Okay, if I cover my hand like this.
I think it will be 0.
Does it go down?
Yes, it's going down.
Okay. If I cover it more?
Yes, it's going down, and it is up to 60, and
Okay. If you turn off the light, turn off the light.
Turn off the light. Yes. Okay, nice. It's again 11. It reached up to 11.
Okay. If I let it go again.
Ambient light. Only the ambient light.
Go.
Now it is up to 197.
Okay, that's good. So this sensor is a light sensor, but it can be a temperature sensor.
Yes,
Or it could be a sensor for the moisture in the ground.
Yes.
Any sensor which has a voltage.
Is that LDR or something? Is that
This
LDR?
is an LDR. This is just an LDR. That's correct. But also we can have a thermistor for temperature, or we can have a light sensor for ground.
Yes.
Many sensors for Arduino also have a voltage, so you can also use Arduino sensors too. Okay. So next to the C7, next to the C7, I want you to type in the word sensor.
C7 sensor, yes. 1 second. Yes, yes, OR sensor. Okay, I typed it. Yes, EN, yes, OR sensor.
Okay, so you have sensor for C7?
Yes, I have a C7 sensor. I have written type C7 sensor on the C7.
That's good. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to automatically turn on the lamp if the sensor is less than a certain number. So what we're going to do is put in some code into the JavaScript loop.
Okay.
Okay.
Put in the
JavaScript one here, the JavaScript loop. Okay. Have you done any JavaScript before?
Yes, I have not done much because I have not done much because I'm more into BandLab, but I know a little bit about Java too. Yes. Why not? You can tell me.
Okay. That's okay. JavaScript is used in 70% of the professional programming because it is the native language of the browser, the web browser.
Yes.
So the web browser that runs on your phone or on the tablet or on Android or on iPhone can process the JavaScript.
Yes, okay? I know that. And please, you can type the code there. I will write down here.
So we have a loop here. Okay, so if you just follow my code, so I'm going to type in if. Okay, so just type in if.
Yes.
And then the round bracket. Make sure you put in the round bracket.
Yes,
on there bracket. As well.
Small bracket open.
And
you go typing. I will write down.
Press select macro. Select macro.
Select macro.
And select the analog in. Analog in.
Analog in. And then what?
Okay. And then select the sensor. We want to measure the sensor. So analog in. We want to measure sensor.
Sensor, yes.
Then put the cursor here. So you see the cursor.
Yes, yes.
And then press the add macro. So press add macro.
Add macro. Yes, it's an analog in small bracket sensor.
So you should see if analog in sensor. Yes, that's correct. If analog in sensor.
Sensor. Then what? Then after then.
Okay. So then just use the backspace and we delete the semicolon. We're going to put a less than sign, less than. So we want to check if it's less than a number. So if we measure the sensor.
It's less than, I think it's 50 or something.
50?
Yes, 50.
Okay.
Oh, you say
50 might be a little bit difficult. We want it to be about halfway, maybe from the top number on the bottom number that we just measured.
Okay. Okay, 11 or 10?
10? It's not going to go under 10. So it needs to, when I block it, I want it to go less than this number before the light turns on.
Okay, then I say I think it's 200 something.
All right, we'll try 50 because it's going to always be less than 200. So at least with 50 we can go under 50. So type in less 50 and then put in the round bracket. Okay, 50 and the round bracket.
Round bracket.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it's less than 50, we want to turn on the lamp. So select the turn on.
Yes. 50 turn on. After then turn on.
Turn on.
Okay. Where do I have to select it? Analog.
So select here where it says analog in.
Yes.
Select
turn on.
Select
Yes.
turn on.
Yes. Turn on.
And then instead of sensor, select the lamp.
Lamp.
So turn on lamp.
Lamp. Add macro.
Okay. Add macro. Yes. Click the add macro. Put the cursor here first.
Put the
then press add macro.
Then add macro. Yes. It's turn on lamp.
So turn on lamp. You see turn on lamp.
Yes. It's a turn on lamp. Is lamp is
okay.
Is written here. And may I delete the semicolon?
So now click else. Click else.
Now click else.
Else, because we also, when we uncover our hand, we want it to turn off the lamp. So put the cursor here.
Yes.
And then select turn off.
Turn off.
Turn off. So we have turn off lamp.
Okay. Turn off.
Then put the cursor here. Put the cursor here.
Wow. Put the cursor. Okay.
And press add macro. Add macro. So
you
should see four lines of code. If analog in, sensor less than 150. Turn on lamp, else turn off lamp. Do you see 4 lines on your screen?
If analog in sensor less than 50, turn on lamp, semicolon, else turn off lamp.
Okay, that's
analog
good.
Input signal is less than 50, turn on lamp. Otherwise, else turn off lamp.
Okay, so just go up to the top here of Runlinc and just press run code.
Okay, well, I want to run the code. And here I get it. And I think yes.
So is it green on your side? Run code.
It's green. It's running. Code is running. I think, and it's green.
Okay, so if I cover the sensor, you can look at the numbers. Do the numbers go down? What is the number now?
Now it's I want to look the number. Okay, it's 172. 172.
Okay, if I go lower, if I cover more.
Yes, it's decreasing, it's decreasing, and the lamp is off right now. When it will increase, I think, of less than 50, lamp will turn on automatically. Yes, it's 15 and lamp turn on. Very nice, interesting. Yes, it's 7, 1, and lamp is when it's 70, lamp is off. When it's below 50, lamp is on. When it's above 50, lamp is off. Based on the intensity of light, yes, sensor is active.
Yes. But my lamp is flashing. How do you think we can fix this?
Yes, based on the intensity of light, sensor is doing its work. If the intensity of light is less than 50, lamp is automatically on, and if it's greater than 50, lamp is automatically off. It's nice.
Okay, but I keep my hand on the sensor and it still keeps flashing, because when the lamp turns on, the number goes back up.
Yes.
So how do you think we can fix this?
Yes, I think we have to some bouncing. It's just like it's one problem, bouncing problem. When is exactly? I think we have to put some time delay.
I think that I don't think we want to put in a time delay, because that will just delay the problem. What we need to do is we need to change this number, I think.
Okay.
What number do you think we should use?
I think we have to use. Uh, we have to use more than 100 or something.
Any suggestion?
Yeah, less than 50. We have to use less than 50 either.
If you use less than 50, I think it'll be a bigger problem. I think you need to go the other way.
Okay, then more than 50.
Any suggestion?
No, please you can continue.
All right, let's try 150. Because then for sure, when the light turns on, then it's not going to go over 150.
Yes.
If my hand is covered. Okay, so did you change yours?
Okay. Yes, I want to change it.
Okay, after you change it, then press the stop code.
Press stop code and run again. Yes.
And then press run code again. Yes.
Yes, I'm pressing it, but it is not stop code. And I stop code and run again. Yes.
Press run again. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so if I cover the sensor.
Okay, cover the sensor. And
okay, the lamp turns on.
Light
because
yes.
it's less than 150.
Yes, it's less than 150. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So if I let go, then it will turn off.
Turn off. Yes. Problem solved. Okay. Okay.
But if I cover it and it turns on, it's still less than 150. So it's not going to flash because it still stays less than 150.
Yes.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Yes, it's nice.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So this control is actually quite easy to do with Arduino too.
Oh yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, we can also do the Arduino too.
Sure. Okay. But can you do it from Nepal to Australia?
I don't think so.
Okay. One of the other things that we can do also with the Runlinc is to make a web page with a display. So with HTML, it's the language to make a web page.
Yes, HTML.
And the web page can contain the Internet of Things information. So if you want the sensor, you can show the temperature or the graph of the light. But also we can also make buttons on the web page too. So what I want you to do is put in the heading, okay, H1.
Yes.
Okay. So the display of your telephone or the display of your laptop becomes part of the project. You understand?
Yes.
So H1 means a heading, and then I want you to put in your name.
Name.
So type in your name.
Yes. Name.
Okay, and we're going to make an alarm control web page.
Kiran. Yes. Alarm
control web page. So we're going, H1 means a heading, it's a large text, alarm control web page.
Web page. Yes.
And then put in /H1.
/H1.
Okay, so H1 is a large heading, 1 is the size,
and it's
put in your name, and we just put in alarm control web page, and then put in the /H1, that's the end of the heading.
Yes.
/H1.
Yes.
Okay. You've done. So once you've done that, then press the stop code and press run code.
Yes, I want to stop the code and press the run code. Okay. I press
okay, when you press run code on this part of the page down the bottom, you should see your web page display forming. Do you see that?
Yes, I want to. Yes, Kiran alarm control web page. There is one. There is a heading. Kiran alarm.
Yeah, that's your heading. That's good.
Ah.
So now Now under the heading, what I want to do is make two buttons. I want to make two buttons on the web page, which when you press the button, then it will make an alarm in Australia. So when the buttons are pressed in Nepal, then it will make an alarm in Australia.
Yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
want to create a button.
Button,
So
yes.
type in the word button.
Button, yes, I typed it.
Like this. Okay, button, and then a space, and then type in the word on click.
On click. Button
On click equals.
Click equals.
On click equal sign. Okay, that's an equal sign. Try to be closer. On click equals, and then put in the quotation mark. And we're going to turn on a sound. So we're going to type in the word turn on.
Turn on.
Turn on with a large O. Do you see the turn on?
On. Yes, I see.
It has a large O with the on.
Yes, yes.
TURN, large O, on.
Yes, I saw it. I saw it.
Then put in the round bracket.
Small bracket.
Round bracket.
It's round bracket.
Okay. Now, but we don't have the buzzer set up. Here I have a buzzer and it connects to C5. C5 is a buzzer.
Okay, that's
so buzzer. I want you to go to C5 and then make a digital out.
Okay, C5
digital out.
C5 digital out. C5.
Digital out on C5, digital and then out. Type in the word buzzer.
Buzzer. You know, Miro, this is wonderful. I'm feeling very much happy, and it's wonderful.
So and C5 is buzzer.
Buzzer, small letters, yes.
Yeah, you can use small letters or big letters, but it needs to be the same. When you put it inside your code, it needs to be the same.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
C5 digital out. Okay.
Okay, so over here, we'll put in the same. So we want to turn on the buzzer on C5. So
turn on.
Type in buzzer.
B-U-Z-Z-E-R, buzzer. Okay.
Buzzer.
I will also study the JavaScript language from today. I'm so eager to study JavaScript.
Okay, I'll give you some more examples also. So in quotations, turn on buzzer.
Turn on buzzer.
And then put in the round brackets, put in the quotation mark.
Yes, quotation mark.
And then also put in the triangle bracket.
Yes, angle bracket.
And then at the top, we're going to put in some text, the name of the button. Yes. So just call it alarm.
L-A-R-M, alarm on.
Okay, and then that will be the end of the button.
/ button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button.
It actually needs to be lowercase, so let me do that again.
Yes, it's URI written in the caps lock. B-U-T-T-O-N, button.
So it needs to be lowercase button / button, like that.
Yes, button, yes, angle bracket close.
Okay, all right. So you press stop code and then press run code.
Run again, yes. It's wonderful, yeah.
Run it again.
It's wonderful.
So here you should see the heading. Do you see your button?
Yes, I will look down. Yes, this is one button, alarm on. This is one button.
Alarm on. So if you click the alarm on button, yes, can you actually hear it?
Yes, I want to alarm on from the Nepal to Australia. Can I? Okay, I want to click it. I didn't hear sound.
You didn't hear the sound?
No.
Okay.
Yes, I'm hearing sound. Yes, I'm getting sound.
No, there's no sound here, so I think maybe the code is not correct. We'll just check the code.
Okay.
Okay. So just check your code, make sure everything upper lowercase is correct, all of the brackets.
S1 button click on, turn on buzzer. button on click equal to okay, there's one mistake. There one is small mistake here. Yes, that mistake is here. Okay, and turn on buzzer and close alarm on button. Yes, may I run the code? Stop and run the code.
Okay, stop and run the code again.
Okay, may I click it?
Okay, try it now.
Okay, Miro, I want to alarm on from Nepal to Australia by clicking.
Yes, very loud.
Yes, very loud.
Okay,
Very loud.
so loud you can hear it from Australia to Nepal. Very loud.
Very loud.
Go to C5 and then press the off. Press the on so it becomes off.
Yes, I want to press off.
Okay, just turn it off.
Just in off. Yes.
Next to the buzzer.
Yes, I clicked it.
That's good. That's good. So we need to have two buttons. So you only have one button, which is turn on buzzer. So we're going to
copy it and
this.
paste down.
Yeah, copy and paste it again. So you have two lines the same. So copy.
Miro, in our undergraduate classes, there is a JavaScript language, and I want to take this Runlinc device to them and teach them the coding.
That's good. So just wait on the second line. Just change the turn on to turn off. So yes, large O off. And then small FF.
Just turn off.
Small FF. So turn off on the second button.
Yes.
Second button.
O FF. Yes.
Okay. Also change the alarm on
and
alarm off. The text on the top needs to change to off.
Absence it. Alarm off. May I stop the code and run again?
Yeah, stop code, run the code again.
And I want to look down. Look.
Try the two buttons. Alarm on.
Alarm on. Off. Yes, 5 on alarm on, yes. And now alarm off. Okay. Yes, it's off. Yes.
Okay. Both your buttons work. That's very good. Okay.
Thank you so much.
What I want to show you next is at the moment, your project, your web page and your code and everything is inside to the Runlinc, but how we can make this actually on the internet as your own page is actually very easy. You can do it with one click.
How can we do it?
I will show you. So go over here. If you go to board,
yes,
and then press the send, the big long send button, the one at the top, send.
May I click on send button?
Send, yeah.
Yes, I clicked it. I clicked it.
So you should see a message.
Editor file saved. There was a message. Editor file saved.
Okay, click OK.
Okay, I clicked OK.
Do you see a second message?
Not yet. Not yet now. I think I'll.
Okay, so press stop code.
Okay, I want to stop code. Yeah. Okay. Now send button. Yes.
Press the stop code first. You press the stop code and then press the forward send.
Send button. Yes. Yes, send button. I clicked it, and there is edit file saved, and I clicked OK. And yes, and there is another message. Index file saved.
Okay, click OK. That's good.
I want to click OK, and
and
I think.
Okay, so now to open your page, open your own. So when you press the board and the send, it will send your project inside this Wi-Fi chip.
Oh my God, is it?
And it will. The editor file is the Runlinc file. But the index file is actually your web page so that it can display your web page separately. So what I want you to do is on the top line,
yes,
I want you to type in just the address Wi-Fi 2-runlinc.pagekites .me.
Wi-Fi
Okay, without
run
the slash control. So there's no slash control.html, just Wi-Fi 2 -runlinc.pageflight.me.
Wi-Fi 2 runlinc dot me. Yes, I wrote it. May I click enter button?
So press enter. Yeah.
Press enter. Yes, children alarm control web page. Yes, this is one.
This
a
is-
beautiful web page. My own web page.
This is your own web page that you made just now. And
Oh my God,
do
this
the
beautiful-
buttons still work? The on-off buttons, alarm
Yes,
on, alarm.
I want to see it now. Yes, alarm on. Oh my God, and alarm off. It's off. It's working.
Okay. Okay. Also, look, your web page also can control the lamp. So if I cover the sensor,
Yes.
then also it will turn on the lamp. And if I uncover the sensor, it will turn off the lamp.
All things are working here.
So it's still working. That's right. Yeah. So you can make your own web page on there as well.
Nice.
So what I want you to do now is just go back to the Runlinc.
Yes, so Runlinc. I went. Okay. What the next?
Go back to the Runlinc, and you can save your project too. If over here on the save, if you type in demo projects,
Save. Can I save in
for example,
demo?
then you can actually save to your device. So this will save to your device, into your laptop or into your phone or into your tablet.
Is it?
Because it will become a download file, a .json file.
Okay, nice. Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
So then you can open it. If you open Runlinc, you go to File and Load. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to connect to the chip, and I'm going to load a file which I want to show you.
Yes.
And the file actually contains 2 lines of code to create a voice. So I'll show you. Let me just... Okay, just hang on. Okay, so I'm going to load a file.
Yes.
From here, and what I will do is I'm going to send it to the chip, because then I'm going to show you how you can open it even from the chip. So I'm going to load this one, which has a voice, so you can see the code. So you can see this is my project which I have loaded.
Yes, this is your
And
project.
what I will do is I will send it to the chip. So I'm going to press the send.
Yes. In which device you will send? That device is actually running I'm running that. And which device?
That's okay. That's okay. So I'm going to press editor file saved and index file saved. Okay. And then I will disconnect. So now what I want you to do is on your page, go to board and then press get. Press get.
Okay, I have written the demo project, and now I want to go to get. Yes, is it?
Get, yes. This will get the project from the chip. Okay. So go to the board and press get.
May I change the board IP also?
Sorry?
I haven't erased anything from.
Go to board and press get.
Yes, press get only.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Yes. Yes. All things are on here.
Just the board and the get.
Yes, and there is yes. I clicked get button.
So you can see.
Yes, I can see all of these buttons are available.
So you can see all of this on your page.
Yes, there are all of the buttons available here.
Okay, so if you see on the JavaScript loop, you see over here it says if light sensor is less than 130.
Yes, there's
it says speech equals new speech, and it has intruder alert. So it will change the text into a voice, and then the voice on the next line will speak the voice, the speech. It will speak the speech. So in the JavaScript, you can actually change the text to speech.
Oh my God.
So what I want you to do is go up and press the run code.
Run code, yes. Run code, and let's see what happens. And if I speak,
okay, so you're pressing the run code.
Yes, I pressed it.
Okay, so if I cover the light sensor, it goes under 130. Okay.
Yes, it's telling me it's intruder alert. Yes, there is. Yes, it's working.
Okay. Do you hear where it is coming from? Is it from Australia or from Nepal?
It's coming from Nepal and it's coming from my device, laptop.
Yes. So if for example, you open it on your phone and an intruder comes and then is detected by the sensor,
again
the light will flash.
It's sounding.
And then you will know in Nepal that your house in Australia is someone is intruder is coming.
Yeah, someone is intruder. Someone is someone is vulgarity happening there. It's some type of some sort of work maybe there.
That's right. But also what I want you to do now is just press the stop code and change the text. So this text is just normal text.
Which text I have to change?
And I want you to change the text. So just change the text to your words, what you want it to speak. So just put in a few words on other words that you wanted to speak.
I wanted to write down dear hacker. I want to write down dear hacker. H-A-C-K-E-R, hacker. Hacker.
Yeah, you can write any text you wanted to speak. So change the text.
Hacker a lot. I want to hacker a lot.
So don't tell me what the text is. You just try the text yourself. You don't
okay, I shouldn't have tell you. Yes. Then I will change it.
Be a surprise.
I will change it.
Surprise for me. Okay. So
I will give you a surprise.
So press the stop code and then press run code.
I will change it. Yes, I have changed it. Okay. Now I want to press the run code. Run code. I have to change run code.
Okay, so now if I cover the light sensor.
Yes, it's saying ask me a lot. Ask me a lot. Ask me is my friend's name. I'm written our name. And it's telling that ask me a lot. Thank you so much. Yes, it's announcing.
Okay.
Working. Ask me a lot.
I actually I had a young girl here. She's 9 years old. Her name is Sophia, and I asked her to change the text. Do you know what she typed in? Very creative.
What did you tell?
She actually typed in. You typed in HA space HA space HA space HA.
Oh, there is nothing available here. All things erased.
So she changed the text over here.
Yes.
And she typed in ha 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 ha.
Okay, can you do this that also? No, there is I want to stop the code. Yes.
So she actually typed in ha 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 into there as well. Make the computer laugh.
Okay. Yes. Please do this.
Yeah. Instead of the intruder alarm. Yeah. Did you try it?
Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, you can try it. Yeah.
Ha 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 ha.
Instead of intruder alert.
Yes, I try. Yes.
Okay, so stop the code and run the code.
Stop the code.
And if I cover my light sensor,
and run it.
Yeah, run it.
Yes, it's laughing. Yes, it's working. Yes, it's working. I believe it is working.
Okay,
It's working.
very good. So, okay. So you can see that the students do. Okay, one question. Okay, over here, when you did the buttons,
Yes, there's nothing.
how long did it take you to make the buttons? How long did it take you to make the buttons?
Buttons, yes,
Web page.
1 minute.
Okay, because I asked one of our university students to find a project which can use the Wi-Fi chip and connect to an Arduino board instead of using the Runlinc. And they found a 20-page document which can put in a title and make 2 buttons on a web page. And it is 120 lines of code.
Yes.
But the procedure is so difficult that even after 10 hours, they could not finish it. They could not make it work.
Yes, you're right. I think you're right.
So one of the students finished it after about 20 hours of finding problems, and he finished it in about 20 hours to make the buttons on a web page.
Yes. Oh my God. 20 hours.
Okay. Also, I asked someone recently about artificial intelligence, AI. Do you know that the language Python is used for AI? Did you hear about Python?
Python is a very popular language for AI.
Python.
Data
So
science, robotics.
I asked a teacher. The teacher teaches the Python language, and I asked the teacher how you would make a voice with the Python so that if you change the text, it will speak the voice.
Yes.
And she didn't know. And I said, when I looked it up on the internet, they suggested that you do a recording and then you upload the recording and you play the recording on the Python.
Yes. That's funny.
So this would actually be difficult because, when we do it this way with the text, then also we can also put in the text. We can change the light sensor level inside the text, and it can actually speak and tell you the value of your temperature, or tell you the value of your sensor, or it can tell you other information, data. But how would you do that with a recording? You couldn't do that with a recording.
No. Miro, you made me fall in love with JavaScript.
So the JavaScript is actually better than Python for the AI as well. Yeah.
Yes.
So
it's very nice thing. Okay, thank you, Miro.
Okay. That's okay. Looks like Pang is also back. Did you want to? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay then. So do you understand about the phone app? How to do the phone app?
What you tell? What tell?
The Project A4, the telephone app. It's actually also a speaking, storytelling telephone app.
No, I don't know about that actually.
Okay, so inside your WhatsApp, I sent you this document,
Okay.
the Project A4, inside the WhatsApp.
Okay, I will link it. It isn't available right now. No, it is. Which app? This book? There is one.
Can you find it in the WhatsApp?
Which app?
No, it is the Project A4 storytelling.
Okay. Yes, there is one project storytelling. Project A4 storytelling. Yes. There is one. Yes.
So you have seen this?
Yes.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah. So if you open that.
Yes. May I open that?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Yes. I want to copy this. I want to open this from actually Peng has sent me one this PDF file. Can I open it from PDF file?
So if you click on the link, then you can actually open the PDF.
Okay. How to download it? How to download it?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to.
Okay, what happened, Kiran?
Yes, I'm
Kiran?
one second. Yes.
Yeah, okay, so wait. That will not work. And we belong to the
Okay. I want to open from 1 second. Yes.
So you should see this document.
Yes, I want to see this document.
Do you see this document here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, go.
Okay, so there is a link. There is actually a link here, which you can press, and then you can open and fill in the form, and it will change the text to the story.
Okay.
It will also create a web page for your phone, so you can open it on your phone. Okay, so I want you to fill in the text and
keep PDF file कहाँ छ? अगाडि PDF file कहाँ छ त्यो मलाई दे. अब यहाँ बस्छु. Which one? Okay, I want to help this guy.
inside the form there is an example of the phone app, so you can actually see what the phone app can look like, and make your own phone app.
Want to send it to Gmail?
Yes, Gmail. No Gmail. How to send it?
You want to
Messenger.
send to?
Okay, so do you understand how to use it?
Okay.
Yes. Password. Open Gmail. One second, minute. Sorry for I'm opening from a laptop.
Another laptop.
Open the Gmail.
Just wait.
That's okay. I just encourage you to try it and use it, because it will create your own phone storytelling app.
Okay.
The story needs to be about tourism in Nepal. So make a story about tourism back to Nepal.
Okay.
And then you can send a link, because at the end of the form, it will create a web page link for you. Okay. So try that, and then you can send it to my WhatsApp. Okay, we have a competition for this storytelling. So the winner of the competition will actually get 2 tickets to fly to Malaysia.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so try it and send me maybe your draft of that one.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So
One second.
I'll send you some more.
Yes,
Yeah. Do you have it open?
Yes, I opened it. And may I click that link?
So do you understand how it works?
Yes, it's a Runlinc storytelling.
Yes. Click the link.
Yes, I clicked
The
it.
link.
Yes. And about the app.
That's good. Okay.
Maldives.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's correct. On this part of the page, there is also, if you can open this one on your phone, This link is a sample storytelling phone app.
Yeah,
So
okay.
if you click on this one on your phone, open it on your phone, then you can also see what example, there is an example storytelling app there as well.
Okay.
And then you can put in the text over here. There'll be the text on the top of your phone, and then there will be the voice message.
Okay.
And, sorry? Okay, and on this text here will be the email message over here, the email message part of it as well.
Yes.
The competition is about the best story about bringing tourism back to Nepal.
Okay.
Okay, so we want the best story and also pictures, because we can also upload pictures. Here you can put the link and you can put a picture on the front page and a picture on the email.
Okay.
Okay, so like I said, a competition for the 2 tickets. So maybe get your students also to make some stories with the storytelling app.
Okay. We will. Sure. There are lots of students who want to engage in them.
Okay, and then send me the link, because when you send the form, then it will send you a link and you can see. Copy the link and put the link in the WhatsApp so that we can see your storytelling app.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, can you do that today?
Yeah. Today, yes, I will. Evening up to evening time, I'll complete this.
Okay, it's only text, so it's just a text story, so it doesn't need to be too long. Very short on the front, and a little bit more on the voice, and a little bit more on the email.
Okay, short and sweet.
Okay.
I will try to make.
Okay, all right. Okay, so we'll send you some more information on the WhatsApp as well. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miro. Thank you so much from my heart.
Okay.
Thank you. You teach me a lot about Runlinc, and I want that device too. Yes, I want Runlinc.
Okay, so what we're going to do?
Can you send me that device, Runlinc device? What are the procedures?
Make some arrangements to on how you can get the Runlinc too. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'll send you some information on how to get it.
I will give you my postal address too.
Right.
I will give you my postal address too.
Yes.
All things.
Sure, that's good.
We'll be in touch.
Okay. All right.
Contact.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Yes, thank you, Runlinc.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Bye.
Okay. You also, Ramchandra.
Okay. Bye.